Measures of central tendency for ungrouped data. So for our objectives, number 1, find the measures of central tendency, the mean, median, and mode of statistical data. Solve problems involving the mean, median, and mode. Then third, appreciate the value of central tendency in real life. So what is measures of central tendency? These are the values that attempt to describe a set of data by identifying the central position within that set of data. Central position. So yung gitna or yung middle. The three most commonly used measures of central tendency are the mean, median, and mode. So for example, this is our given. We will find the mean for 18646. How? So as you can see, we get the average of the given data. And it will become 5. So what is a mean? It is the average of a given set of data. It is obtained by getting first the sum of all the values and then dividing it by total number of values. Mean is very sensitive to extreme values. It can be calculated for quantitative data only, wherein it can be interval or ratio data, and it cannot be calculated for qualitative data, which is the nominal and the ordinal data. Mean is represented by X bar, yung X na merong maliit na guhit sa ibabaw. So the formula in finding the mean is to add all the data and then divide it by the number of the given data. For example, we have 18646. So to find the mean, we add them all, which is 25, and divide it to 5, which is equals to 5. Now, try this one in your notebook. Find the mean. And the answer is 35 degrees Celsius. Now let's talk about the median. Median is the middle value when all the values in a set of data are arranged in order. In short, siya yung nasa gitna. Median is not sensitive to extreme values. If the given data set contains even number of values, then the median will be the average of the two middle values. So the symbol we are using for median is the X tilde or yung X na mayroong kulot sa ibabaw. So for example, ito yung ating data, 18646. So i-arrange muna natin siya in ascending order. So magiging 14668. And then, the median will be 6 kasi siya yung nasa gitna. Now, for example naman, ito yung ating mga data. So we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10, 14, and 16. So, kung titingnan nyo, meron tayong even numbers of value. Kasi lahat sila ay ilan? Sa 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, how can we get the median? So, kukunin natin yung dalawang middle values or we will get the average by adding them and divide it into 2, which is now 14 divided by 2 and it will become 7. So, ang ating median ay 7. Again, it's your turn. Copy and answer this in your notebook. Let us answer. The median is 120. And the last most commonly used central tendency is the mode. Mode is the most frequently occurring score. Or, in short, siya yung pinakamadalas na lumabas or nakitang score. It can be calculated for nominal data and it's not sensitive to extreme values. There are different types of mode. So we have unimodal, bimodal, multimodal, and no mode. types of modes are categorized based kung ilan ang mode sa bawat given data. For example, on the first given data, we have 5, 8, 12, 15, 15, and 20. What is the mode? We have 15. So, ilan ang mode natin for this given set of data? We have only one. So, it is unimodal, meaning one value of mode. Next one. We have 5, 8, 8, 12, 15, 15, and 20. So, what number appears most? Yung 8 and 15. So, there are two modes. So, ang tawag natin dyan ay bimodal. Meaning, dalawang number ang nag-appear ng mas madalas sa given set of data. Next, we have multimodal. So, ang example natin dyan, we have 5, 5, 8, 8, 12, 15, 15, 20, and 21. So, ano-anong number ang nag-appears na pare-pareho ang bilang? We have 5, 8, and 15. So, yung tatlong yan ay mode natin. So, ilan sila? We have 3. So, kapag ang mode na nag-appear ay tatlo pataas, we called it multimodal. And for the last one, ang given set of data natin is 5, 6, 8, 12, and 15. Meron bang number na umulit? Wala. So, in that case, wala tayong masasabing mode. Kasi pare-pareho sila na isang best lang lumabas or nag-appear yung number. Now, we called it as no mode. Now, it's your turn. Find the mode and the type of the mode used. Our mode is 18 and it is unimodal. Now, you can try to answer this in your notebook. Find the mean, median, and mode of the following data. And if you want to know if your answer is correct, you can send me your answer. Link is available on the monitor and will be open tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. at 7 p.m. only. Good luck!